Okay, so this is a coffee and a Danish bun. Let's see what this is. So it cost me 99 cents. It looks okay. The coffee's free if you've got an Ikea card, and the bun was 99 cents. Okay, let's try the bun. Put the sweetener in. Coffee. The coffee isn't all that. I quite like the cinnamon bun. Should have bought two. Lovely jubbly. Quite like this. Just disappears. I'm not sure how many calories it's got though. I'll have to check that. Okay. Oh. The cinnamon bun one. Okay, well, I'll tell you what I think afterwards. I think the coffee isn't the best. But for 99p, 99 cents, not bad. Okay, so that was a coffee in Ikea in Valencia, which comes free with a card when you got an Ikea card. So I'm not sure if that's like that in England or anywhere else, but in Spain you have a card, you get free coffee, and the cinnamon roll was 99 cents. So the coffee, it's a coffee, so it's a coffee on a machine. So for it to be free, it's a very good price. So and a cinnamon roll for 99 cents. I quite liked it actually. I thought that was very good value for money. I've had better cinnamon rolls. The best one I've had was in Iceland, but if we get lucky, we can go there and try that one again. So try that one. But this one's okay for 99 cents. I would have bought two. So in the end of the day, I would say yeah. If you want to have a cinnamon roll and it's cheap and cheerful, and you got an Ikea card for 99 cents, you can have a coffee and a nice cinnamon roll. So just go down to Valencia with Ikea there, or Murcia, and have yourself a cinnamon roll. So okay, next time we'll see if we can try the breakfast. And